back here in Fort Sulphur. You know, I gotta start out with the top water, the super spook. Had one blow up on it already. Y'all stay tuned. Well, after many attempts drawing a top water, just couldn't make it happen. So it's time to move on to something else. Maybe next time. He's little. First fish of the day is 11 inches, 1 inch too short. Got another one. They little. This one's about 8 inches. There we go. Oh, a foul hooked him. He's about 7 inches long. Look at that. Look how big he is. To show y'all what I'm using. Got a 1/8 ounce jig head. Got the Deadly Dudley Terra Tail, the blue moon color. I'm fishing at about 20 inches under a cork. Catching little trout, but we gotta get through the little ones to find the big ones. I did catch one. Woo! Huh? 12 inches. So far they're all 11. Look at that. They're a little bit too small. Ah! That really was a keeper right there. I am. Look at that, I just lost a nice one.
Oh no, oh no.
That was at least 14 inches. There we go. There we go. I think he might make 12. Nope. Another 11-inch one. I'm catching all 11-inch trout. No, little baby trout. Matrix shad, purple and green. Yep. Ah, damn hard head on a matrix shad. Every time I look away, look. They all little.
They got little ones, they got the big ones underneath there.
They like that color though. A Deadly Dudley with a chartreuse tail. Woo! Now we're talking some nice trout now.
Yeah, I'm about to head over there and put my ankle pole down.
this right in between these two little brown poles. There's like 4 of them. Shit, that's a 20-inch trout right there. Huh?
You had your camera on?
17 inches. There was the other one I'm about to catch. 13 inches. Going in the box. Oh. My camera just died. Yeah, I got a little charger. Alright, y'all, that's gonna be the end of the video. Caught a handful of trout. It wasn't too bad. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.